Hi friends, welcome to Nistala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a healthy snack variety. Are you able to identify these grains? These are nothing but jowar. If you know the health benefits of jowar, you will definitely make sure that you will include this grain in your day-to-day life. So today we are going to make jowar laddu. Take 1 cup jowar, pour it into a bowl and add water and soak the jowar seeds for 7 to 8 hours. Wash them thoroughly before soaking in the water. See, now these are the grains that are soaked for 7 to 8 hours. Take the grains without any water into a mixer jar and make a fine powder like this. Since you have not added any water, this will be in powdered form only. Now take idli vessel and put this kind of mold and pour water in it. Now take the jawar powder that we have prepared and pour it uniformly into that mold. Now set this powder in such a way that it is spread evenly throughout this mold. After you have spread it evenly, now we have to close the lid. This should be boiled in high flame for 10 minutes and under low flame for 5 minutes. See, I have set it up this way with a spoon and I'm closing the lid. I'm keeping the stove in high flame now, and after 10 minutes, I'm just opening to see how the powder is. See, this is the texture after 10 minutes. Now, I'm closing the lid again and I will let it cook in low flame for 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes being in low flame, this is how it looks like. Now, I have to check if this is cooked properly or not. See, take a small amount of this flour in your hand and you should be able to make a small ball kind of texture. See, when you're making a small ball with this, you are getting a structure and it's not getting sticky to your hands. It means it's cooked well and now it's ready to be removed into another bowl. See, I'm taking this entire jawar flour that is cooked into another bowl. And now let's start the next process. For this, here I have taken 1 cup of jaggery and 1 cup of grated dry coconut and a little ghee and elaichi powder. Now I am adding jaggery into this cooked jawar flour and also dry coconut. And now we have to give it a good mix. See, I am also adding 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. I'm adding all these ingredients and I'm giving it a good mix. Now add ghee also into the same bowl and give it a good mix. As I told, jawar is very good for health. It is nutrient rich, it's gluten free, it's good for diabetes people. It helps maintain healthy heart. The fiber content in the jawar seeds help lower cholesterol levels. It's good for weight management. Multiple benefits are there. So ensure that you consume this grain regularly. Now, after giving a good mix, see, I'm taking a little portion into my hand and I'm making it in the shape of a laddu. It will be so tasty and it's a healthy alternative to even give it to kids. Nowadays, kids are so reluctant in eating homemade snacks, but try this, they'll definitely love the taste. If you prefer, you can also add some dry fruits while making the laddu. But here I made it plain and simple. You will definitely try this, right? Do try the recipe, and if you like it, please do share it with your friends and family members. Bye. Thanks for watching Nestela's Kitchen.